how to change your relationship status on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go here to your Facebook application, and here on the homepage, right? On the bottom part, you'll see 6 different options there. Click on the menu and make sure to go to your profile here. Click on this, and then it will lead you here to your profile section. Now, after being in your profile section, in this portion, you will see edit profile. Click on edit profile there and scroll down up until you see the details section. So under details section, you will see relationship status. Click on that, and then here you will see relationship. Tap on add relationship, and here you will see a drop down arrow stating for relationship status. Now if you click on that, these options will come out. Then all you have to do is to choose your desired relationship status. So for example, in relationship, and then you can actually tag a specific person for that. So make sure that you are friends with that person so that you can tag that specific person that you're in relationship with. And then you can also add the specific date, and basically if you are done with it, on the upper part here you can actually share it through public or to friends or to just yourself. And then if you're done with that, tap on save. And here, as you can see, if you go here to your details, you will now see in a relationship, you will see relationship. In relationship, if you have tagged the person, then it will say in a relationship with a specific person since a specific since the specific date that you have also set. And basically that's it. That is how you change your relationship status on Facebook, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.